Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Today I'm going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, and the topic name is NOP, that is Not for Profit Concern. Now students, let's first read the problem, understand the problem, and then we'll go ahead with this. Okay students, now see, this time from the following information supplied to you, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that day. Maurya Sports Club, Thane, balance sheet as on 1st April 2019. You know, na, financial year, it starts on 1st April 2019. It will end on 31st March 2020. Capital fund 64,500, overdraft 38,000, outstanding salary. This is all your last year. Machinery, outstanding subscription, prepaid insurance, furniture, cash in hand, outstanding locker rent. Okay students, see this all were income. Now see, this is last year outstanding. Normally what we do, we add outstanding expenses of current year. So last year outstanding expenses will be minus from the respective expenses and prepaid will be added. You know, normally what happens, outstanding is minus, outstanding is added, prepaid is minus. That is a normal rule which you are following. But if you are having a last year outstanding and all that, so you are going to minus it, because इस बार आपने सबसे पहले last year का expenses pay किया, फिर current year का pay किया होगा. So you will be following that rule. Okay students, now let's go ahead. And then again you will be having your receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account means this is your cash book. Balance, subscription, entrance fees, locker rent, donation, buy balance, brought down, salary, insurance, interest, refreshment, furniture, buy balance, brought down, cash in. इनसे मिस इस बार आपने येलो रेड क्या क्या किया है. So I'll explain you exactly what it is now students. See here, you know, we should have these 2 pages at assignments to you. Can you see your bank overdraft 38,000? Am I correct? Can you see your bank overdraft 38,000? You know, when you have a balance sheet or you have a receipt and payment, only one entry will be passed on. So see, bank overdraft is here also, bank overdraft is here also. So nowhere this entry will be passed on. Same way, can you see cash in hand here? Cash in hand here 12,000. So this board is again rectifying among themselves. Okay, now see, furniture is here and here also there is a furniture. That means you have purchased more furniture. Now see, outstanding received, subscription received 3,000 for 2018-19. Now see, outstanding subscription 2018-19 का कितना था? 8,000 था. इस बार आपने कितना रिसीव किया? 3,000. वो किसके अंदर है? ये सब्सक्रिप्शन के अंदर है. तो आप इसमें से माइनस करोगे 3,000. करेक्ट. और बाकी का जो डिफरेंस है 8,000 माइनस 3,000, जो 5,000 बचेगा वो आएगा करंट ईयर के बैलेंस शीट में. आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन 2018-19. आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ 19-20 वॉज 14,000, यानी कि इस साल का कितना है? 14,000 है. तो आप इसमें 14,000 ऐड करोगे. देखो इसलिए मैंने इधर एडजस्टमेंट लिखा है. रेड का मतलब लास्ट ईयर की बैलेंस शीट के साथ है, ए का मतलब है करंट ईयर का एडजस्टमेंट है. ओके, नाउ प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस वॉज 2,500. इस ईयर का प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस कितना है? 2,500. और देखो लास्ट ईयर का प्रीपेड कितना था? 2,000. सो आप यहाँ क्या करोगे? इंश्योरेंस में लास्ट ईयर का ऐड करोगे और करंट ईयर का माइनस. आपको ऑपोजिट करना है. डेप्रिसिएशन फर्नीचर, इसलिए देखो मैंने यहाँ पे डेप्रिसिएशन के लिए भी ए लिखा है. लॉकर रेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर 2019-20 इज 400. और देखो लॉकर रेंट यहाँ पे भी है, इसलिए मैं देखो लॉकर रेंट रेड से किया है और ये किया है. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो दिस वे यू हैव टू टेल इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सी दैट विच एवर इज कॉमन बिटवीन बोथ टू. अब उसको एंट्री नहीं करना है. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू डू द एंट्री बिकॉज ऑलरेडी दैट एंट्री हैज बीन डन. सी देयर इज अ 2 effect, one in receipt, one in balance sheet. Automatically 2 effect is gone now. Am I correct? So remaining will be doing 1 effect. If you understand when 2 things are given, how are you going to understand the problem first? Okay, now let's start solving the problem. Okay, as usual we are doing, first we'll do the posting of it. Now see, this capital fund will directly go into the balance sheet. आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी मैंने आपको क्या बोला, इट विल बी लेस, नॉर्मली ऐड होता है लेकिन ये लास्ट ईयर का इसलिए हम उसको सैलरी से माइनस करेंगे. मशीनरी विल डायरेक्टली गो इनटू द बैलेंस शीट. आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन, देखो यहाँ 8,000 है लेकिन रिसीव 3,000 ही हुआ है, तो हम लोग उसके लिए वेट करेंगे. इंश्योरेंस लास्ट ईयर हमने माइनस किया था, तो इस बार हम ऐड करेंगे. फर्नीचर डायरेक्टली बैलेंस शीट. कैश इन हैंड को हमें हाथ ही नहीं लगाना है. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी डन. आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट आप क्या करोगे, रेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग नॉर्मली ऐड होता है लेकिन ये लास्ट ईयर का इसलिए क्या होगा, माइनस. चलो फर्स्ट हम लोग ये बैलेंस शीट को खत्म करते हैं. सबसे पहले आपको दिया है कैपिटल फंड, सो यू राइट हियर capital fund. Again I'll say you, capital fund is nothing but capital account. Are you getting it? Capital fund is not more than capital. कितना है capital fund? 64,500. ओके देखो कैपिटल फंड 64,500. बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी. रुको पहले हम लोग यहाँ से एक काम कर लेते हैं, जितना भी बैलेंस शीट वाला है वो कर लेते हैं. बैलेंस शीट में मशीनरी है 69,000, नो एडजस्टमेंट डायरेक्टली इन द आउटर कॉलम. फर्नीचर हैविंग एन एडजस्टमेंट, विल राइट इन इनर कॉलम 15,000. सो you'll write here machinery, no adjustment, so directly outer column 69,000. Furniture, there is an adjustment. Yes. How much is furniture? 15,000. Okay, we have done this too now. Now we will directly go to this account. Yes, income and expenditure account. Yes, expenditure and income account. Okay. Now outstanding salary. You know, मैंने आपको बोला ये क्या होगा, ये आपका इधर आएगा to salary. Yes, less outstanding of LY. I write LY. LY means last year. LY ka means last year. Okay. LY means last year. How much is the last year outstanding salary is 4,000. Okay, students. See, it is 4,000. Yes, yeah. Outstanding subscription ka there is a different, we'll do later on. Insurance premium 2,000. Again, it is an prepaid, तो आप उसको minus करना होगा. So what are you going to write here? To insurance. We'll do one more column. अगर और कोई adjustment है तो to insurance. Yes, to insurance. We don't know the insurance. We are, what are we going to do? Add prepaid again in the bracket. Yes, LY. That means last year prepaid. How much is the insurance of last year prepaid is 2,000. Okay, last year insurance paid 2,000. Furniture we had done cash in. Locker rent, it's an income, so it will come on credit side. So you will write, see, first will always be by subscription. Am I correct? And then I'll write here by locker rent. Okay, this is less. Outstanding. Again, I'm going to write here LY. LY means last year. Okay, students. How much is the outstanding rent of last year? It is 500. We are doing it slowly so you understand. See, capital fund we have done it. बैंक ऑर्डर नहीं करना है क्योंकि दोनों तरफ है. आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी वे डेट, मशीनरी वी ट्रांसफर, सब्सक्रिप्शन आई kept in the whole, prepaid insurance already I done it, furniture I done it, cash in hand नहीं करना है, locker rent already I have done it. Okay, so by this we have completed the posting of your balance sheet. Now come to receipt and payment account. Now see, येलो वाला हमें नहीं करना है क्योंकि हमने सिर्फ बैलेंस शीट से फिगर लाया है. आपको ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. Now see, subscription is 1,05,000. So I'm going to write a subscription 1,05,000. Okay, then I have एंट्रेंस फीस. देखो ब्रैकेट में नीचे क्या लिखा है, कैपिटलाइज. कैपिटलाइज मतलब इट इज गोइंग टू बी एडेड इनटू द कैपिटल. ओके, लॉकर पहले हम लोग बैलेंस शीट वाले आइटम्स छोड़ के ये नॉर्मल कर लेते हैं. लॉकर रेंट इज 1,500. सो लॉकर रेंट कहाँ गया, यहाँ पे आएगा 1,500. ये लेस होने के बाद यहाँ का फिगर आएगा 1,000. से यहाँ पे देखो आपने क्या किया, लेस लिखा है तो इट इज माइनसिंग. So now in your liability side, I had done subscripts. So it is receipt and payment. तो यहाँ पे receipt आएगा. हाँ students, there is a typing error in the textbook itself. Okay, subscription हो गया. Entrance fees और donation हम लोग दोनों कहाँ पे add करेंगे, balance sheet में. 9,300 is a entrance fees and donation is 800. So you are going to add. Going to write here add. Add entrance fees. How much was the entrance fees? 9,300. Now again we are going to add it simultaneously and keep it. So it is 64500 plus 9,300. The answer is coming to 73,800. So this is 73,800. And again there was one more thing, add what, donation. Yes, how much was the donation? 800. So you're going to add again this, add 800. So your answer is coming to 74,600. 74,600. See student, everything over. Now donation is over, locker rent is over, entrance fees over, subscription and all. Chalo, salary is 17,500 and insurance is 11,000. So both the entries we are going to do it. Yes, salary was 17,500 and insurance premium was 11,000. Yes, interest is 1,400, refreshment is 4,200. So you'll write here, you know बाय का 2 में आता है, मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया है. 2 interest. Yes, interest is how much? No adjustment, 1,400. 2 refreshment charges. Refreshment मतलब नाश्ता पानी, you know, refreshment charges. Refreshment charges. So refreshment charges is coming to 4,200. Okay, हो गया refreshment. Now all these items will come in balance sheet. Furniture is 30,000, cash in hand and cash at bank. Chalo, we'll write in balance sheet. At new purchase, it is at purchase. You know, आपने इसको purchase किया है. Okay, how much you have purchased? 30,000. So total comes to 45,000. Okay, and then there is one more adjustment, depreciation is there. Then you had Yes, cash in hand. How much is the cash in hand? 1,500 and cash at bank. Okay, how much is the cash in bank? 20,000. So by this we have completed the posting of this also. Cash in and cash, furniture with the refreshment. All the things have been done. Now we'll come to the adjustment part. Subscription receipt 3,000 for 2018-19. Now see, I've already explained you this. इससे पहले मैंने आपको explain किया था. देखो 18-19 में आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन पेंडिंग कितना था? 8,000. एम आई करेक्ट? अभी आपने रिसीव किया 3,000, यानी कि और 5,000 पेंडिंग है. सो ये जो 8,000 में से 3,000 हम लोग माइनस कर देंगे और बाकी का जो 5,000 है वो हम सीधा बैलेंस शीट में जाके लिखेंगे. ओके, सो हियर इज आई विल राइट हियर subscription outstanding. Okay, for the year 2018-19 कितना outstanding है? It's 5,000. How you got 5,000? 8,000 minus 3,000. Yeah, this time the balance sheet is for 2020-20. This is also for 2020-20. Okay, and then year less. Yes, outstanding last year 3,000. Now have you understood students? हमने क्या किया? ये 5,000 का कैसे किया? 3,000 हमने करंट ईयर से माइनस कर दिया बिकॉज वो लास्ट ईयर का इस साल रिसीव्ड हुआ है और जो 5,000 पेंडिंग है वो हमने बैलेंस शीट में डाल दिया. गेटिंग यू स्टूडेंट्स? अगर इस तरीके से होगा तो यू आर सपोज टू डू इट दैट वे. खाली इसी में in this subscription it was said that it has been received in half, baki nothing was said, so we are expecting everything. Now see, current year outstanding is 14,000, so you'll write here add. Now minus karke this becomes 1,02,000, then add CY. CY means current year. Okay, outstanding current year is how much? 14,000, so it becomes 1,16,000. Are you getting me? Now while will the second effect of outstanding will come? Outstanding you will write here 2019-20. Outstanding is how much? 14,000. So total subscription is outstanding is 19,000. For this add is this. Okay students, this is the way you are supposed to solve your problem. Okay, you understood this adjustment? Last year का भी हो गया ये. Prepaid insurance for the current year is 2,500. So prepaid insurance. So prepaid means less. Okay, add करने के बाद this is becoming 13,000. You'll write here less prepaid. CY is current year. How much is the prepaid insurance of current year is? Is 2,500. So what will be the answer? Yes, 11,000. देखो हम लोगों ने क्या किया था? 11,000 plus 2,000 13,000 हुआ था minus 2,500, that comes to 10,500. So here 10,500 will be the second effect will come. Prepaid always comes here, so it is prepaid insurance is how much? Prepaid insurance is how much? 2,500. Okay, now next, what is your next adjustment? Depreciation furniture by 3,000. So depreciation furniture by 3,000. So you'll minus it from furniture. So here it is, less depreciation. Yes, less depreciation. How much is the depreciation? 3,000. So total outer column is 42,000. Okay, student. Second effect will come in income and expenditure account. That is year to depreciation on furniture. Okay, depreciation on furniture rupees 3,000. Okay, where will both the effects are completed? Depreciation. Last but not the least, rent, locker rent outstanding for 1920 is 400. So again, outstanding is always added. So you'll write here add outstanding current year is how much? Outstanding rent is how much? 400, I feel so. Yes. So 400. So outer column it becomes as 1,400. Second effect in balance sheet, it's the income receivable. So you'll write here outstanding locker rent is 400. Okay, outstanding locker rent rupees 400. So by this we have completed all the adjustment. Now only what is remaining is your totaling part. Now let's start doing the totaling, students. सबसे पहले हमें we have to close this account. चलो, okay, यहाँ पे ऊपर, yes, yeah, salary you had nothing else, so you'll write here 17 minus 4 is 13,500. Okay, we'll do the totaling of it. चलो, मैंने आपको बताया इस तरीके से टोटलिंग करने में मुझे थोड़ी आसानी हो जाती है, because I get everything on the single page. Oh God, क्या हो गया? Yeah, I get everything on the single page. Now see here, it is 13,500 plus 10,500 plus 1,400 plus 4,200 plus 3,000. Am I correct? So the answer is 32,600. The answer is how much? 32,600. I'm writing in my rough paper. And here, what is the totaling? 1,16,000 plus 1,400. That comes to 1,17,400. Obviously, मेरा ये टोटल बड़ा है. Yes, this total is bigger. What is this total? 1,17,400. 1,17,400, and this also 1,17,400. अब हम माइनस करेंगे. दैट वाज, हमने जो मैंने साइड में लिख के रखा था टोटलिंग, इट वाज हाउ मच? 32,600. तो 84,800 is my surplus. What is my surplus? 84,800. This is your surplus. You know, again I'm repeating, In income and expenditure, we write surplus, carried down. Okay, students, have you understood it? We'll go to the next. It's in balance sheet. So you'll write here add. Yes, add surplus, that is 84,800. So what is this total? 84,800 plus 74,600. Yes, the total is coming to 1,59,400. चलो अभी इसका भी टोटलिंग हम लोग चेक कर लेते हैं. नाउ सी, ये तो इधर 1,59,000 है. अगर हमारा क्रेडिट का टोटल भी इतना आ गया, दैट मीन्स वी आर करेक्ट. सो माय क्रेडिट टोटल इज 69,000 plus 42,000 plus 6,500 plus 20,000 plus 19,000 plus 2,500 plus 400. Now see, both the totals are same, 1,59,400, 1,50,004. So our balance sheet is telling, that means we are at correct. So what is my total? 1,59,400. Here also 1,59,400. Okay, students. Chalo, by this we are completing our problem. Have a good day. Enjoy learning with MJC. Practice, practice, practice. Only the one thing I'm going to tell you. Practice,